In this video, I'll discuss with you the course syllabus tab in Canvas, how to personalize that with your own syllabi, and then some other features that it has with it as well. So if you go into your course and you click on the syllabus tab, this will give you a place to either upload or copy and paste in your course syllabi. If you click on the edit box at the top, it'll give you a text box that you can go ahead and paste in your own course syllabus, and then it'll show up there for students when they click on that. In addition to that, any assignments that you have in your course, it'll at the bottom of this page, it'll have a course summary listing those assignments. So you can see here the assignments and when they're due and what time, that sort of thing. That's also useful for students as well. One more thing I would like to talk about is having some way to have students acknowledge that they've looked at your syllabus. So oftentimes what I do is integrate a syllabus acknowledgement quiz into the first week of the class. So the first time we meet, I tell them that they have an assignment on Canvas, that they log in, go to our course, go to the syllabus, read through it, and then complete the syllabus acknowledgement quiz. So I actually do that. I'll show it to you a different way. Inside the modules tab, you'll see in the getting started module they have a syllabus acknowledgement quiz. So if I click on that, I'll show you what it looks like. I do it as a graded survey, so there's no right or wrong answers, but they do get 10 points for completing the survey. And then it's basically just typing yes or no that they acknowledge that they've read and understood the policies. And then this also gives them a place in my quiz. It gives them a place to ask questions. And so what I do is, after the assignment is due, I go back in and I look, and anybody that's asked a question on Canvas, I take that to class, I read the questions, I keep it anonymous, and then I answer those questions for students. So that's just the way that I handle that. There are obviously many different ways to do that, but then this also gives you a way to go back and say, if a student doesn't follow one of your course rules or one of your course assignments or something like that, you can say, hey, that was in the syllabus, and remember you completed that acknowledgement stating that you read through the syllabus. So it kind of gives you a little bit of a way to leverage in a conversation that the student has done the reading of the syllabus like they said they would. So that's pretty much it. Did want to mention one last thing. Another thing that you could do alternatively, either in addition to pasting this in or instead of pasting this in, is at the very top you can link to the syllabus. So if you want to upload the syllabus as a file, maybe a PDF, something like that, then you can actually just put that file link at the very top of your course syllabus page, and students will be able to click on it and download the syllabus as well. So if that's something you feel like you want to do, you can do that too.